welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to LifeWithFritzi. Also, welcome back to your daily dose of Hersheypark vlogs. We are in the park today, and today is a special event for season pass holders for full size and king size, where you get to come into the water park, early access, 9:45, 10 o'clock, and you're able to ride all the rides, ride the water rides, and all that before they open up the park to the public. So it's a 2-day event, today and tomorrow on Father's Day. Before you get to the video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos here at our channel. Now we're on our way. We're in the water park. As you see, we're in the boardwalk, and it's not as packed because we're here on a season pass, but later on it's going to be horrendous. Today they expect over 32,000 people in the park, so it's going to be a full day today, and I don't even know if I'm gonna have a chance to get on any rides, but we're gonna try. Today I'm on a solo day. I'm probably gonna go to the lazy river, the wave pool, and just enjoy the park and relax. Today I'm supposed to meet a supporter that we kind of decided to meet up at the park. They want to hang out with me today. They're also a season pass holder. They want to do the park today with me and maybe get on some rides. I gotta see if I can see him today. Let's go, folks. We're at the water park. I just want to take this time out to say hello to Austin. Hi, Austin. Austin is a cute little boy that stopped me in the middle of the park coming into the park. He stopped me to tell me hello, him and his family. I'm so sorry I couldn't stop to talk longer with you guys. The park is really crowded today, and everybody's bumping into each other, and I didn't want to bump into nobody or anything. And I know today is an exciting day. You're on your way to go and get on all the rides and all that with your family. So I just want to take this time and say hello, and thank you so much for stopping and saying hi to me, and thank you so much to your beautiful family for saying hi to me too. I hope we'll see you on another vlog or later on in the park. Enjoy your day at the park, enjoy your day here at Hershey Park. Thank you so much for saying hi, Austin. Okay, it's been a while since I haven't been to the boardwalk. As you can see, the little sandcastle thing that was closed last time, remember I told you I didn't know why they were closed, but they had closed it last time. It is now open, as you can see. All the kids are coming here jumping. So I don't know how long they had it open because I haven't been here in about 2 weeks. So I'm not sure how long they had it open, but they have it open today now that I'm here. They'll have kids jumping in the sandcastle, in the water. The wave pool is open. So that's good. They had this open for the kids. I'm so happy and so glad because my little one, Caden, he was so sad that it wasn't open when he came. But now that it's open, when he comes with us this week, he'll be able to enjoy the splash park here at the castle. It's so good. I'm so glad, and I know a lot of kids are happy that this is open. Another thing that's open, guys, is the playground area, the whole shipwreck area here at Hershey Park. If you remember last time when we came here, this was all closed. Remember, I have vlogged that this was closed. The playland was no longer open, and I told you I didn't know when they were going to open it because they had it closed down. Well, look at it. The playland is up and running, folks. Check it out. And we have the season pass holders in here enjoying the beautiful playland. It is up and running. Asia, when you get here, I know you're gonna be happy when you see this video. The playland is open. This is one of the parts of the boardwalk that Asia loves to go to. She never misses out going here, and she was kind of bummed and sad and didn't want to get on anything because this was closed. But now it's open, Asia. So tomorrow when you come with me, you'll be coming here to the playland. But the playland is now open for everybody to enjoy. I love that. Now I'm gonna get dressed and hit the lazy river and then the wave pool. If you are seeing this video, this is your sign to love your beautiful self and show off all your body curves, love handles and all. You are worthy and beautiful. Inspire yourself today and love yourself a little bit more today. Okay guys, as you see, we're at the Shoreline Spray Ground. There's hardly nobody here. The park is very full, but because this is a season pass holder event, you're not going to see it so fully crowded. But it is somewhat crowded. Not a whole lot, but it's a good thing because we get to enjoy this event. We get to get on rides and not wait a whole big line. So this is awesome and great. So here we go, guys. We're going to get onto the lazy river I just received a text from the person that I'm waiting for here at the park that they're here at the Lazy River. So let's go. All right, now we're back here at the wave pool, and I'm with
Benji.
I'm with Benji, my supporter. We had a good time. We're over there by the Lazy River, and we had a good time over there. And we chill. We got some drinks. Now we're here at the wave pool. We left Mom over there with the bag. She's not coming back in here, but we are. So we're gonna go into the wave pool. We're gonna chill, relax, have some fun. I don't know if I'm gonna record, but at least we're gonna be in the wave pool. Yeah. It's a whole beach day today. It's a whole the boardwalk day today. So I'm not gonna be in the park, but I'm gonna be in the boardwalk, and we're just gonna chillax, relax, and enjoy our season pass. What's it? A season pass preview.
Season pass. You don't know how to talk today.
We're gonna do our season pass boardwalk preview here we got going on. So we're gonna do that. So we're gonna go in the pool. We're gonna put our phone away because I don't want it to get wet. And we'll check you out when we come out. Come on, baby. Okay, we had left the boardwalk and we're no longer in the boardwalk, but now we're in the park. So I'm with my friend and his mom. We're gonna go on to the mix because she never got on the mix. Benji's not getting on, but his mom is. So we're gonna go on the mix. We're gonna enjoy the mix. We're gonna get on. She never got on. So I want to go on with her so she can experience the mix as well and have fun. So we'll see you guys after we get off the mix. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun. She likes the mix. So I'm gonna see if I can record her while she's on the mix. And Benji's gonna record over his phone. I'm not gonna see how to record both phones.
I'm gonna be like this.
Benji's too funny. So we're gonna go on the road. We're gonna get a mix. As soon as they open up the gates, we'll be able to go on. So I guess we'll see you on the top of the mix.
All set. All clear. Here we go.
Okay, now we got the Jolly Rancher mix. Now we got the Jolly Rancher mix. And Benji wants to get a picture with Mr. Jolly Rancher. He hasn't got one yet. So we're going to get a picture of Mr. Jolly Rancher with Benji. Benji is trying to dip the line. Oh, cross rice.
I'm like, I'm a king size member.
I know that's right. Benji, a king size member, Benji, with your golden girl shirt on.
King size, king size.
Stop! Benji's a true. I can't.
That's like doing spin and dip like
that. Look, they got in front of you, Benji.
I'm telling you.
You can't leave nobody's space because they get right in front of you. So we're gonna see what ride we get on after Benji takes his picture with Mr. Jolly Rancher. Not me, I took many pictures already, but Benji hasn't. So we're gonna let Benji take his picture and then we're gonna see what ride we're gonna get on and see if I can get Benji on any ride today. Let's see, we'll try. We're gonna try. Okay, so I'm here with Benji. Now we got off the mix. We're gonna be going on to the remix. So me and Benji gonna go on the remix. I'm gonna try to see if I can get Benji on. It's his first time on. I've been on him many times, but Benji hasn't, so we're gonna try to get him on. But we're gonna hit at the remix. We're gonna go on this ride and check this ride out. So, all right, Benji.
She's trying to murder me.
No, I'm not.
Make sure to subscribe and don't let my death be in vain.
Oh my gosh, stop it!
Yeah. Oh my god, my hair's a mess. This is how you know this is gonna be crazy.
I can't. All right, the bus comes back. I'm gonna pull away and we're gonna go on the ride. Let's go. Okay guys, I got watermelon again for the second day in a row. I got watermelon. I'm so sad that my Benji couldn't get on because the belt wouldn't latch, but we're gonna see what we can do. He can get on at another time.
Here we go.
Alright guys, now that we got off Jolly Rancher and now I'm heading out into the park. I'm so sorry that Benji couldn't get on the ride. But before I go, let me see if I can say hi to Mrs. Kisses. She's so cute. She's so cute. She's busy with the kids, so I'll say hi to her tomorrow. Okay guys, now I'm headed to the end of the park. It was such a wonderful day spending time here with Benji and his mom at the water park and also at the park. But Brad has to go to work and I had to end this day early. It was so much fun hanging out with you guys. So much fun hanging out with Benji and all the crew. Thank you so much. Hershey Park for always providing a good time for me and everyone else here at Hershey Park. But I gotta run and it's time to go. I'll see you in the car where I can end this vlog in the car because I'm in a rush and I gotta go. Alright guys, so as you see, I'm in my office at home. So I usually end the video at the park, but today it was such a crazy day today. The whole park was crowded today. You hardly couldn't get on a ride. It was redonkulous crazy and redonkulous crowded. So I had to leave the park early because, of course, Brad had to go to work. I leave Benji and his mom at the park because I had to run. But I want to thank them so much again for spending time with me in the park, spending time with me at the boardwalk, and spending time with me just walking on the park and getting on some rides. We were able to get on the both Jolly Rancher rides. That's the only thing I had time for because my day was short. 1, 2, it was just so overly crowded. And it was just crazy. I can't wait to create more beautiful memories of Benji and his mom and more vlogs and just hang out with Benji and his mom. Benji and his mom to me is like family to me. They started out as hardcore fans of mine and turned out to be more like family to me. I love them, adore them so much. They're so cute. So I want to say thank you, Benji and Mom, for spending their time with me. But on that note, I'm going to go. I am making supper right now, so I'm kind of busy. But always remember to stay positive, stay motivated, stay inspired, stay inspirational, most of all, stay empowered. Remember to empower somebody else's life, but never forget to empower your life to be a better you than it was the day before. Remember that every day above ground is a great day. Every day that we're living here on earth is a wonderful and great day. Remember, here at LifeWithFritzi, we love and care about you. We love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and thank you so much for supporting us in our channel. Remember to always stay Hersheypark happy, and always remember to have a happy Hershey Kisses day. And on that note, I'll see you on the next video. Love, peace, and a ball of hair grease. And until then, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.